Is there an equivalent to windowstogo for personal use? windowstogo is one of the most exciting Windows 8 features to me. The ability to pack up your desktop environment and take it with you anywhere is extremely appealing. Unfortunately, it's only included with Windows 8 Enterprise, which you can't buy for individual use. Is there an equivalent that works for Windows 8 Professional? I would be satisfied by either a third-party program that does the same thing, or some workaround to enable windowstogo for non-enterprise versions. I'm aware of various Win-based live environments, and that's not what I'm looking for. I want the ability to run a full Windows 8 environment off of a flash drive that I can take anywhere.
Before you begin, there are a few things that you need to take into consideration when doing something like this. The first and foremost being what medium and connection are you planning on using to create and run this portable OS. My recommendation is to use at least USB 3.0 or eSATA. The use of USB 3.0 SSDs, yes there is a difference, is also highly recommended with these specific models. Kingston Technology 32GB Data Traveler Ultimate USB Flash Drive MFR KWU41321 FA SuperTalent 25GB USB 3.0 Express RC8 Flash Drive MFR ST3U25GR8S SuperTalent 50GB USB 3.0 Express RC8 Flash Drive MFR ST3U50GR8S SuperTalent 100GB USB 3.0 Express RC8 Flash Drive MFR ST3U100R8S. Note, I used a USB 2.0 flash drive, and got this to work, but it took forever, 11 hours, to set up and forever to boot up. Several minutes. Also you'll need a Windows 8 installation. ISO file. Getting started. You need to format your drive as a NTFS drive. Go to Disk Management and right-click on the flash drive. Select Format. Mount the Windows 8 installation disk by double-clicking on the .iso file. From an administrative Windows PowerShell, run the following command. You have to use PowerShell as CMD doesn't work even with admin rights. dism/apply image/image file column and lt, path to install.vim and gt/applider column and lt, USB drive letter and gt/index column and lt, image_index, 1 for Pro, 2 for Core and gt/check integrity/verify. You'll get a screen like the following. Warning, if you are using a USB 2.0 port or drive, this can take multiple hours to perform. It took 11 hours for me. Run the next following command. cdboot.exe and lt, drive letter of flash drive and gt, column/windows/s and lt, drive letter of flash drive and gt, column/f all. You're done. Again, unless you're using USB 3.0 or another equivalent medium in speed, don't expect this to boot up right away. But you should be able to enjoy a fully operable portable Windows 8 experience.
Create windows to go on any edition of Windows 8. Best to use a Windows 8 PC to build the USB to go. From the article. It is possible to use Windows 7 to create your Windows 8 to go USB device. You will just need some additional software. Launch an administrative level command prompt. Make sure that your USB drive is plugged in and then type in diskpart and hit enter. List the available disks by running list disk, and you should see your USB device. Select your USB drive by typing select disk cache and hit enter. For example, select disk 3. Clean the partitions on the disk by typing clean and hit enter. Now create the boot partition by running the following command. Create partition primary size equals 350. Now create the OS partition by running the following command to create a partition taking up all remaining space. Create partition primary. The boot partition needs to be formatted, configured and assigned a drive letter. Run the following commands. Select partition 1 format fs equals FAT32 quick active. Assign letter equals B. If the B drive letter is already in use on your PC, substitute a different letter and replace B with your letter throughout the rest of this guide. The same must be done for the OS partition. Run the following different commands. Select partition 2 format fs equals ntfs quick assign letter equals O. If the O drive letter is already in use on your PC, substitute a different letter and replace O with your letter throughout the rest of this guide. Exit diskpart by typing exit. Extract the install.vim file from the \sources directory of the Windows 8 install ISO to c:\vim. On Windows 8 you can just double-click an ISO to mount and then browse it. Use DISM to deploy the Windows 8 files to the OS partition of the USB device by running dism/apply image file c:\vim install.vim/index :1/applier :o:\. The boot manager needs to be installed on the boot partition with the help of the cdboot utility. Run the following command. o:\windows\system32\cdboot o:\windows/f all/sb. Reboot your computer and test your new Windows 8 to go device built on Windows 8. Make sure the PC is configured to boot to USB before your local hard drive. Source of information: